Google Pixel 11 leaks keep popping up now, as the lineup is just a few months away from its debut. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Even at the earliest, Google will unveil its 2026 Pixel family in August. Yet, over the last few days, CAD renders have revealed the design of the Pixel 11 and Pixel 11 Pro, and it's heard that the Pixel 11 Pro will borrow the same design from the current Pro sibling, and the same goes for the Pixel 11 Pro XL, but in a supposedly thinner package. Like the Pixel 11 Pro, the XL variant will also feature a blacked-out camera bar. That's unlike the current Pixel 10 models, where a camera bar blends in with a lighter tone of the device color around the flash and sensors. Google might also drop the temperature sensor from its 2026 Pixel lineup entirely. The Android Headlines report claims the Pixel 11 Pro XL will measure 162.7 by 76.5 by 8.5 millimeter in dimensions. That may not be entirely accurate, but if it is, the device will be a bit thinner and shorter than its predecessor. While other specs are under wraps, but the Pixel 11 Pro XL should have a 6.8-inch super bright AMOLED panel with 16 GB RAM and a Tensor G6 chip inside. The Tensor G6 will mark Google's complete shift away from Samsung for its SoC, as it'll seemingly switch to a newer MediaTek M90 modem. From a design viewpoint, Google's upcoming Pixel lineup will not introduce any big changes and may pack fairly modest upgrades internally as well. Yet the DRAM and NAND crisis could push Google to bump prices by $100 to offset the higher component costs. With August just a little away now, it's left to see how the Pixel 11 lineup actually is. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.